In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a striking visual presentation using Canva. This process involves a few creative steps that will help bring your ideas to life, so let's dive right in and explore the wonderful world of design. First, we begin by opening Canva. This versatile design platform is perfect for crafting all types of graphic content. Once you've logged in, you'll want to start with a fresh canvas, preparing 2 pages to work on. Think of these as your blank slates, ready for creativity. Now that you have your pages set up, it's time to navigate over to the second page. Here's where we will start laying the groundwork for our design. Head over to the Upload section. This is where you'll upload and select the file that you've screenshotted. This image will soon become an integral part of your composition, but first, let's make sure it fits perfectly. Adjust the size of your image so that it meets your design aesthetics or requirements. You want it to be clearly visible, but not overpowering. Next, transition back to your first page. Here, we'll bring in some dynamic elements to enhance your design's visual appeal. Click on the Elements tab and search for a 3D rectangle shape. From the graphics options that appear, select the square shape. This will be the base of our design, so feel free to adjust its size to fit the first page as you wish. Now, let's add some artistic flair. Head over to the Edit section, and here, you'll notice various filter options. Select the Fresco filter. This will add a unique texture and depth to our square, preparing it as a backdrop for our image. With our foundation set, drag your previously uploaded screenshot onto the first page and make sure it fits neatly within the altered square filter. This ensures that the image takes on the transformed appearance we've crafted with our filters. For a final touch, navigate to color rounding. This step allows you to soften the edges of your square, adding some subtlety to your design. Then revisit the filters in the Edit section once more, selecting Fresco. This time, the filter will enhance the screenshot itself, giving it a cohesive look with your background. To add a finishing, interactive touch, it's time to incorporate some fun elements. Return to the Elements tab and search for Facebook 3D. From the selection of reactions available, choose one that best suits your design or message. Once selected, click on it and adjust its size. Place it thoughtfully over the React button to simulate engagement or interaction. And there you have it. A beautifully designed Canva piece that truly pops with a blend of filters, shapes, and creative elements. I hope this guide has inspired you to explore the boundless possibilities within Canva. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.